Hi, welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to modify an existing computer program that you created using the visual programming tool and play around with it actually. So, the last tutorial we created a computer program that would accept the name of a user and um, extend the welcome to the user of the program. So let's continue from there. So to get the programming environment set up where you can modify this program and play around with it, let's go to the home page programming for life.info. And if you're on a Windows computer, you you click the Microsoft SmallBasic link over here, and you would be taken to the Microsoft SmallBasic, which is where you can get the tools that you can use to modify this program that got created using the visual programming tool. So it is browsing, right? So you want to hit the download over here, and I've already downloaded it for you, so we can go ahead and install it. So there it is. That's the smallbasic.msi file. You can double click on it, and that would cause it to can go through the setup. Hit next over here, and yeah, actually I have already installed it, so we can just go through it. So just go through the next, change, say yes, and that's it. So you now the installation is done, and we can bring up the SmallBasic. So let's search for SmallBasic over here. All right. Okay. So in a short moment, the Microsoft SmallBasic programming environment is going. There it is. So now that we have the program over here on the website, on the tool, so select it. So just select the entire thing and Control C to copy it, and then come back to the SmallBasic and hit press Control and press V, paste it over there. So you're just doing a copy paste of exactly the same thing. So just let's run this program over here, just and see how does it behave. So hit the run over here, and right. So the question that we have, like, hello, what is your name? So it's it's waiting. The program is waiting for you to enter your name. So we enter Tom again and press enter, and it says a warm welcome to you, Tom. Press any key to continue. So just press any key, and we are back to this. Now what you can do is you can play around with it, right? So one thing, there are a couple of things which you need to know. One is that the text window dot write line causes something to causes the com- computer to display something on the screen, and in this case it's the message. And similar, and the text window dot read causes the computer to wait for you to type something, and it accepts it and stores it into a box, which is the name box in this case. So um, we can modify this program now. We can say we can type something else. We can have something else coming on the screen. So you can say text window. So this does a great job. So it automatically selects that, and right line. Say just press the down arrow key and hit enter. Right line, and say you want to we can modify the welcome message actually first. um, a warm welcome to you, and have a great day, for example. It could be anything. And or rather, let's have a great day after this one, right? So we can have a message one box over here, and we can fill it up with, say, and oh, need the quotes, and have a great day with an exclamation over there. We can take it off from here. So now our message would be like, a warm welcome to you, Tom, comma, and have a great day. So what do we need to do now? The first part of the message is in the message box, the second part is in the name box, and the third part is in the message one box. So we just want to add the message one after the name, right? Message one. Perfect. So now we don't want this actually. Just delete that. And now we have modified the computer program right in this programming environment. And now we can run it again and see whether it takes effect or not. Right. So again, it's asking the name as expected. Say Tom and hit enter. There you go. So a warm welcome to you, Tom, and have a great day. Perfect. So this is how you can go ahead and modify the program and play around with it. You can have it ask some other question, and you can you can have it print some other kind of message, right? So you can play around with these two things that you have learned, that is filling up the naming a box, filling it up with something like letters, sentences, words, numbers, and then you can use this text window dot write line, and you can give in the brackets you give the name of the box, and the computer shows it on screen. And likewise, you can use the text window dot read to have the computer wait for the user or the program to enter something, and you can have it stored into a box, just like the way it's done over here. Name equals text window dot read, opening braces and closing brackets. Right, so that is it for this tutorial, and have a good time um, playing around with these programs. Bye bye.